versus coat vending machine.
Whoa.
Catty bought some lemonade.
Wow. Tommy, this coat vending machine is so great, right?
Where's Tommy?
The hot vending machine is awesome too.
But the coat vending machine is better.
The hot vending machine is better. Hot,
Coat.
hot,
Coat.
hot.
Fine. Let's see if the right one is you or me.
How to know who's right and who's wrong?
Kitty, Kitty.
Is Catty giving Kitty ice cream? Oh no, stop it, Catty! Kitty ate too much cold food. See? Kitty cried.
Kitty.
What will Tommy do to help Kitty? Oh no! Tommy fed Kitty too much hot food! You two mustn't give her too much hot food or too much cold food. Too much of anything is not good.
Yes, Mom.
If you eat too much hot food, oh, the hot food is burning their stomach. And if you eat too much cold food, the cold food made their stomach frozen. Do you understand now?
Yes, Mom.
Which one is stronger? Fire versus ice hypercar. Catty and Tommy are so good at using the water gun.
Catty, Tommy, I bought presents for you too.
Wow, it's the fire and ice hypercar.
Wow. This is so cool. I really like it. Thanks a bunch, Dad.
Thanks, Daddy.
Treat them with care, kids.
Yes, Daddy.
The ice hypercar is Catty's and the fire one is Tommy's.
I bet my car is faster than your car.
No, my car is faster. How about we settle it through a race?
Let's do it.
Oh, who will be the winner?
3, 2, 1, go!
Huh?
Hypercar is blasting ice on the road. The slippery road is affecting Tommy's driving.
Oh,
So long, dummy Tommy.
Catty, so that's how you want to play.
Oh, what's going on? Oh no! Tommy's fire hypercar is shooting fireballs. Catty got hit.
Oh no, I'm gonna crash. Oh no, they're broken.
My car! You've ruined my car!
huh? Huh? What did I tell you guys? You have to treat your toys with care or you have nothing to play.
We're sorry, Daddy.
Looks like you've learned your lessons. There, the cars are fixed. You kids better not break it again.
Thank you, Daddy.
Daddy?
Do and don't at the swimming pool.
Why is it so hot today?
I have no idea.
I wish we could go to the swimming pool right now.
Same here.
Good idea. Let's go to the swimming pool.
Hooray! Daddy is
Daddy's
the best!
Wow!
Yay! It's the swimming pool!
Catty, look at the sign.
It's a no running sign.
You must pay attention to the signs. Swimming pool floor is slippery. You'll hurt yourself if you're not careful.
I'll be careful, Dad.
Wow, Catty is warming up.
Wait, Catty. You must wear lifebuoy before getting into the pool.
Yes, Daddy. Cannonball!
The two are playing in the pool. Suddenly there's a sound.
Tommy, Catty, I bought ice creams.
Wow, ice cream!
Gimme! Gimme!
Oh. No food allowed in the pool.
Well, it's the no eating in the pool sign. The two are eating delicious ice cream.
I finished my ice cream. Let's get back to the pool.
No. You must not swim when you're still full. It's bad for your health.
Okay. Are you ready?
All set!
Here I come.
Tommy, come down here!
Coming.
Tommy is fastly sliding down the slide.
Oh no!
Oh no! He will bump into Catty.
You shouldn't do that. It's dangerous. Always check before getting down a slide.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Now let's play together.
Let's go!
Hot door versus cold door.
North Pole is so Pole. I wish I could go there.
There's nothing beautiful in North Pole. I prefer the desert.
The two are fighting again.
Huh? Come on, kids. You two shouldn't fight like that.
Doctor, the desert is more beautiful than North Pole, right?
No, North Pole is better. Right, Doctor?
Oh,
Why don't we go to both places to see which one is more beautiful?
But how do we get there?
Wow, Dr. Doggy took out a magic door.
Let's go.
The first destination is the desert.
Huh?
you don't know anything. In the desert, you have to wear shoes like me.
Catty, Tommy and Dr. Doggy had a great trip. But the desert is so hot and it dehydrates them.
So thirsty.
Huh?
Oh,
Huh?
wow.
Huh? Huh? Oh no, it's a sandstorm.
What to do now, Doctor?
Huh? Hurry up, kids.
So lucky, they moved to another place through the door. Wow, white snow is everywhere. So this is North Pole.
Huh?
Oh, you have to put on warm clothes, Tommy. Wow, Catty found a baby penguin.
Penguin, let's play together.
Penguins are very protective. You should not go near their children.
Oh. Hey, let's make a snowman.
Great idea. Huh?
Tommy, catch this.
Okay, Catty, just wait.
Whether it's the hot desert or the cold North Pole, it's more interesting, right? Mommy and Daddy went missing. Oh, Catty seems to be hungry.
Mommy. Tommy, get up.
What's wrong, Catty?
I don't see Mom anywhere.
Have you asked Dad?
Not yet.
Dad, have you seen Mom? Where's Dad? Dad! 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 Oh!
Mom. Mom. Mom.
Oh, where did the parents go?
I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find Dad.
Oh, I couldn't find Mom either.
Hmm.
What if they're kidnapped, Tommy?
Come on, we have to rescue our
Wow, Catty and Tommy transform into police to find their parents.
Detective Tommy and Catty are on the case.
Firstly, we must find their traces.
Yes, sir.
No.
Catty and Tommy looked everywhere, but they couldn't find them.
They really went missing.
Catty, look.
Oh, what is that? Happy birthday, Catty! So Catty's parents secretly prepared for her birthday.
Is my birthday today?
Of course, it's because they want to find their parents.
But why are you wearing police costumes?
Uh-oh. Of course, it's because they want to find their parents. Kitty, where are you? Kitty took Tommy's game console away.
Catty, look after Kitty.
No, you do it.
Tommy put Kitty into the crib.
Begin here.
Kitty is crying.
Oh no. There you are.
Wow.
Wow, Catty's toy car is so beautiful. Oh no, Kitty climbed out of the crib. Kitty is rushing toward the car. Luckily, Catty stopped the car in time. Oh, Tommy only knows how to play games.
I'll give you a lesson, Tommy. Tommy, let me take care of Kitty.
Okay.
But Tommy, where's Kitty?
Inside the crib. Oh no! Kitty was right here. Where did she go?
This is all because you were playing all the time. Now where is she?
Oh no. Let's go find Kitty together. Kitty! Kitty! Not here either. I can't find Kitty. What if...
Oh, is Kitty kidnapped by the bad people?
What should I do, Catty? Kitty must have been kidnapped.
Huh? What's that?
Let's follow them.
Kitty is found.
Sorry, Kitty. I won't leave you alone anymore.
Actually, Kitty didn't go anywhere. I carried her here. I just want you to pay more attention to Kitty.
I got it. I will never leave her alone again.
Now let's play together.
Remember to look after your siblings carefully, kids.